What's up everybody, it's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and welcome back to the channel. So I'm here today, or tonight, in Federal Heights at Full Send FPV, and I just purchased the brand new TBS Fusion module. Now I know there's a ton of unboxings, I'm not going to be doing that, but I did want to share my experience with it. So I've put a couple packs through it so far, and I gotta admit, it is absolutely insane how well this thing actually works. I have not updated it to the newest 3.24 with the Wi-Fi and everything like that. That's going to be coming soon, so I'll do a video and I'll show you guys how to do that, and hopefully everything will work correctly. But I just wanted to share my experience with you. So tonight I'm going to be running my Menace patch with just a regular Foxier longer antenna. So we're going to go ahead and test it out, and I'll show you some video of what it looks like before I was running the TrueD module, just regular analog, not the TrueD X, and the after video with the new TBS Fusion module. So hope you enjoy.